Dyslexia is a disorder that affects about 10% of the population of Australia and the world. If a child who has average intelligence and opportunity to attend school and education, but the child will still show difficulties in learning how to read if they have dyslexia. The MARCS BabyLab is a facility dedicated to research in first language acquisition and cognitive development. The Seeds of Literacy is a longitudinal project that tracks the development of two groups of babies from the time when they are 5 months of age until they are 5 years of age. One group of babies is at risk for developing dyslexia because one of their parents has been diagnosed with dyslexia and the other group does not. The reason why this research is so important is because currently dyslexia can only be diagnosed once the child has started learning how to read and has started to show difficulties. At this point, the child's self-esteem could already be very affected by these deficits. What we are striving to do is to find the earliest precursors so we can start intervention much earlier on and hopefully prevent these effects of dyslexia later in life.
Hi! Originally, I was referred by my sister to BabyLab with my first son, and we've progressed through 4 children. For my children, I like the social interaction. A couple of months. They enjoy coming along here. They enjoy getting a certificate at the end of each session that we come to, and we receive a little gift as well. So the kids really enjoy that, and for me it gets me out of the house, which is very important.
Look! Puppy! Puppy!
The MARCS BabyLab is one of the largest baby labs in Australia, and it is also one of the most long-standing ones because we have been conducting research for over 15 years now. And the type of research that we conduct is also unique. Because of the facilities that we host here at the MARCS BabyLab, we're able to analyze a variety of aspects of language development. So we don't only look at speech perception skills in the first years of life, for instance, but we're also able to assess electrophysiological measures. So we look at answers in the brain of the infant to different speech sounds and words. So we give students an opportunity to get immersed in research, in empirical research that they usually only learn about in their lectures or in their textbooks. But here they get an opportunity to actually conduct research and design research themselves. And they can do that through honors projects, Masters of Research, PhDs, but also through undergraduate internship projects that we offer. And of course, on the international scale, we are conducting research that is at the forefront of our disciplines. So we're answering important research questions about early infancy development that in the future hopefully will not only be interesting to discover more things about development, but also influence policy making and educational programs in the future.